Hello, today we will tackle about transport of animals before slaughter and dressing. And here's the content. Introduction. Animal welfare regulation. Type of animals. Preparing for transport. Transport equipment. Loading and unloading. Transportation duration. Animal welfare during transport. Quality assurance. And the last conclusion. Introduction: Transport animals before slaughtering and dressing involves the movement of livestock such as cattle, pigs, or poultry from farm or holding facilities to processing plants of slaughterhouses. This critical step in the meat production of process ensures the animals are handled with care and adhere to animal welfare standards. It includes loading, transportation, and unloading of animals, often the specialized vehicles designed to minimize stress and discomfort. Proper handling and transportation are essential to maintain the quality of meat and ensure the ethical treatment of animals throughout the process. So, you have to careful the way you slaughter because they have a process that you need to follow. Next is animal welfare regulations. Republic Act Number 8485, Animal Welfare Act of 1998. The Animal Welfare Act of 1998 is a significant law in the Philippines that aims to protect the welfare of animals. It prohibits acts of cruelty towards animals such as maltreatment, torture, killing, and neglect. The law also regulates the sale, transport, and handling of animals to ensure their welfare. Violators of this law may face penalties include fines and imprisonment. In this act, we need to protect the animals by killing and other maltreatment. And animals are important because there are so many animals around the world suffering from being used for entertainment, food, medicine, fashion, scientific advancement, and as exotic foods. If you do not follow the act, you have violators of this law may face penalties or either in prison.
So, hello. These are the particular types of animals, such as cattle, poultry, pigs, sheep and goats, fish, and other species. Other animals, such as rabbits, ducks, and game animals, may also be transported for slaughter. Their specific requirements depend on their size, species, and individual characteristics. You might see in this picture, it shows on how transporting animals before slaughter, before they slaughter. And next, these are the different way of preparing for transport. One, assessment and selection. Two, transportation containing preparation, loading, water and food, health checks, identification and documentation, temperature control, rest and comfort, ventilation, safety measure, transport duration and breaks, monitoring, emergency preparedness, unloading, post-transport assessment, and the last, record keeping.
Transport equipment. In this slaughter and dressing industry, specialized transportation equipment is used to handle and transport livestock, as well as processed meat and related materials. Here are some key types of transportation equipment commonly used in industry. Number 1, livestock trailers and livestock haulers. Number 2, meat transportation containers, refrigerated trucks, and insulated containers. Number 3, carcass and offal handling equipment, carcass hooks and offal bins. 4, conveyor system, overhead conveyor system and roller conveyors. 5, pallet jacks and forklifts, pallet jacks and forklifts. Number 6, trollers and carts, meat trollers and mobile rocks, waste removal equipment, waste bin and containers, and waste disposal trucks. Number 8, slaughterhouse conveyor system have two shackles, conveyor system, offal, and blood conveyor system. Loading and unloading. Loading and unloading animals, whether for transport or other purposes, should follow these proper procedures. 1. Preparation. Ensure the transport vehicle or area is clean, well ventilated, and free of hazard. Prepare any necessary equipment like ramps, gates, or chutes. 2. Training. Animals should be trained to move safely. Use positive reinforcement method to encourage them to enter and exit the transport area willingly. Number 3. Handling. Use gentle, low-stress handling techniques. Avoid loud noises and sudden movements are proven. 4. Loading starts with coupling. Well-trained land animals used to ramp or loading chutes at a gentle incline. 4. 3. Animals allow animals to move at their own pace, use minimal force if needed, and never push or pull aggressively. Ensure proper spacing to prevent overcrowding. Securing. Number 5. Once loaded, secure animals in place with appropriate restraint, like gates, dividers, or lie down to prevent injury during transit. 6. Transport. During transport, monitor animals regularly to ensure their well-being, providing food, water, and ventilation as needed. 7. Uploading. Park the vehicle or position the animals in a safe, secure area. Open gates or restrain slowly and calmly. Allow animals to exit at their own pace, avoiding any rush, providing water and rest if necessary before further handling. Number 8. Post-transport care. After unloading, assess animals for any injuries or signs of stress, providing appropriate care and rest as needed. 9. Record keeping. Maintain accurate records or loading and unloading procedures, including any issues or incidents to improve future processes. 10. Compliance. Ensure compliance with local, state, and national regulation regarding animal transport and welfare. Importance. The importance of minimizing stress are the glycogen is used up and the lactic acid level that develops in the meat after slaughter is reduced.
Transportation duration. The recommended duration for transporting animals varies depending on the species, distance, and mode of transport. In general, it's essential to minimize transportation time to reduce stress and ensure the well-being for animals. Shorter durations are preferred, typically a few hours to a day for most domesticated animals. Longer journeys should include regular breaks for rest, food, water, and veterinary care. Regulations and guidelines differ by regions, so it's crucial to comply with local laws and consult with experts in animal welfare when planning animal transportation. So, they have a different regulations that follow based on the region. During the transportation, you need to check or cure the animals and take rest for them. Next is the factor affecting transportation time. Addressing factors affecting transportation time involves a multifaceted approach. Efficient route planning, real-time traffic monitoring, and modern technology integration are essential elements. Utilizing GPS and traffic data enables dynamic route adjustments to minimize delays. Maintenance and upkeep of transportation infrastructure are crucial to prevent bottlenecks and ensure smooth flow. Additionally, promoting public transportation and eco-friendly alternatives can alleviate congestion. Collaborative efforts between stakeholders, including government agencies, businesses, and communities, play a vital role in optimizing transportation time for a more sustainable and efficient future. And animal welfare during transport. To ensure animal welfare during transport, it's crucial to plan journeys carefully. Using appropriate containers with adequate ventilation and space, temperature control should be maintained as needed, and animals should have access to water and food. Regular monitoring for distress or illness is essential, as are gentle handling and minimizing disturbances. compliance with regulations, emergency preparedness, and proper documentation are key components. Post-transport care, including rest, should also be provided to ensure the well-being of animals throughout their journey.
Tips on monitoring and handling distressed animals. Effective monitoring during transport involves trained personnel watching for signs of distress like rapid breathing or lethargy. If an animal becomes distressed, handle it gently and isolate it if necessary. Offer a water and, if appropriate, small or digestible food. Consult a vet if distress persists and have a designated care area within the transport vehicle. Using soothing techniques like soft music can help calm distressed animals. These measures ensure the well-being of animals during the journey. Quality assurance. Maintaining meat quality is of paramount importance for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures the safety of consumers by reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses caused by the contaminated or spoiled meat. Secondly, high-quality meat is more flavorful, tender, and enjoyable to eat, enhancing the culinary experience. Moreover, it preserves the economic value of the meat industry by minimizing waste and spoilage. Additionally, maintaining meat quality is vital for sustainable practices, as it reduces resource wastage, wastage associated with rearing, processing, and distributing meat products. Ultimately, prioritizing meat quality benefits both consumers and the meat industry, promoting health, taste, sustainability, and economic viability. The impact of stress on meat quality. Stress significantly impacts meat quality in livestock. Stress-induced changes in hormones and muscle tension can lead to tougher, less flavorful, and less appealing meat. It can also alter the meat's pH levels, color, and water holding capacity, making it less desirable for consumers. To ensure top-notch meat quality, minimizing stress through proper handling and care of animals is crucial throughout their life cycle, from rearing to processing.
In conclusion, the presentation on animal transport before slaughtering and dressing emphasized compliance with animals' welfare regulations, proper transport conditions, gentle handling, and efficient loading or unloading to minimize stress. It stressed the importance of monitoring, emergency preparedness, and collaboration with veterinarians, providing water and food when needed, adhering to transport duration limits, and training personnel were also highlighted the crucial aspects of ensuring humane treatment during transport. And these are the sources of our topic. And that's all. Thank you.